Oh.
I told you it's one bill.
This one.
Thank you.
See, that's one. You say $1. Then I did one. See, thank you. Oh, you see? Now I pay you, ah.
Oh, another one.
I have to say another one.
See? I already paid you $1, ah.
Okay, massaging you. If they need $2 after that, then I'll massage you about paying me.
I will run out of money, ah.
You'll give me $2 after I massage you.
I already give you one.
I'll do.
This one, this one.
I'll count it to,
What are you going to do with the money?
I'm gonna say the number, 99.
Okay, okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 45, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65.
Well, you're not massaging that now. You're just counting.
Okay, no
Okay.
payment.
Okay.
66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
Ah, you skipped 95. Okay, no payment.
$2! Two.
What?
Two. Do you have a bed?
What?
Do you have a bed?
No, there's no $2 bill, $2 bill.
Or maybe three?
3? Why are you decreasing? You only said 2.
Because you have no dollar bill. I was just saying just two. You just give me two.
It's like that. No. Okay, we don't have money.
Benting ko bigay mo dun.
Hmm?
Benting ko bigay.
There.
Thank you.
Okay, I pay you already, ha?
Now can I pay?
Okay, then I give you, ha?
How
My
many?
payment, ha?
How many does our medicine cost?
Cost too much.
Then how many does something cost? How many does it something cost?
I don't know.
$1 or for a burger?
No, that's expensive. Burger is expensive.
How many did it cost?
Maybe around $150.
You didn't even buy that much. You just got the Happy Meal.
Yeah, so you will be happy. That's why we got a Happy Meal.
Happy Meal?
Yeah.
With no onion. I want a Happy Meal with no onion.
We don't
With
care.
no onion, okay. I will tell them not to put onion.
Ah.
You say onion for Ate, onion for Mommy, onion
Ah.
for Dad, onion for Lance, onion for Colette.
Ah.
No onion for me.
Okay, no onion for you.
But you tell Lance and Colette and Ate and Mommy and you to get a Happy Meal with
With the what?
ano ba yan?
Ano ba yan?
Ano ba yan?
Ano ba yan?
Hindi ko.
Ikaw lang.
Happy Meal with onion.
Having it with onion for dad. And your mommy has it.
No. What do you want to eat?
I don't want to eat anything.
Okay. No eating pala eh.
Oh.
Bendo.
Oh, get the ano.
Tara na, let's go. Let's buy.
I don't care.
Let's buy burger.
I don't care.
Yeah.
I can only talk to dad. I'm only talking. Mommy, I think you send
Your money.
You massage mommy. Mommy will pay you more.
1,000. She paid 1,000.
Yan na, 20.
No.
Right? I told you crying can make you ugly. You want to become ugly?
Yes.
Then don't cry.
Ugly.
Don't mind ate. Ate's just...
Massage niya.
Mommy,
Mm.
no, we should go to a parking first.
Okay.
Then we will go and buy. After
Go
the
back?
parking lot playground, we'll go to the Happy Meal place.
Happy Meal place?
Yes, to get the burger
Okay.
and the fries
Okay.
and with ketchup and chicken nuggets
With ketchup and chicken nugget.
and what's up this?
Okay. Puro pagkain.
But later you buy me
Later pala eh.
Hmm.
I guess we should go to our
Where?
playground.
Okay, okay.
We should go there.
By yourself.
Mommy, you want to go to a playground and watch me play?
Oh, yes.
But we should go there first,
Mm.
so you can watch me.
Mm.
Let's go there. Let's go there to
Or go by yourself.
Dad,
Hmm.
can you take us to the playground?
It's raining. Want to get sick?
No.
Si Berlin's sick because
How about
they
night?
went to school.
Is
even if
Berlin
it's
a boy?
raining.
Is Berlin a boy or a girl?
Boy.
Boy!
Is he handsome also?
No.
He always says sit down to me.
Why? Maybe you always stand.
Yes. He keeps shouting at me. Sit down.
Mommy don't love gub-gub.
Why are you standing?
I want to see Berlin's face mask. I want the same face mask.
No, you can't.
You have your own face mask.
You can't. Because if you use his face mask, you'll get sick also.
He wants to get sick.
Yeah.
And who's the other one? Who's sick?
Adriel.
Adriel.
Oh, is Adriel a girl or a boy?
Boy.
Adriel is a boy. Oh, who is handsome? Berlin or Adriel?
Boom.
Both. And who is
Ako,
handsome? Adriel, Berlin, or Gab Gab?
Berlin me.
Oh, I thought you're the only one who's handsome. Ay, may video ka diba? Pakita natin sa video. Tanong natin kung sino si Berlin.
Go to the playground. Would that be okay? If you watch
It's
me?
raining.
After it stops, let's go there.
No.
Dad, let's go there after the rain
No.
stops.
Okay.
How many hours will it go away?
Long time.
500 hours.